Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something different as spring is coming around the corner, and after spring of course summer, my favorite part of the year, of all the year possible. So today I decided to do a tutorial about a two-piece set. So this is what I'm going to show you in today's video. This is just a top. It's a crop top and a skirt in this gorgeous floral summery pattern, and I decided to do this because I have holidays in a couple of weeks and we're going to Italy for the first time in my life and I can't wait. So that's why I've been inspired and motivated to sew a lot of things ready for summer and to be wearing in summer, as I cannot wear those things here in Ireland because there is no summer in this country. Anyway, I hope you're going to learn something new today, as this tutorial and this DIY video is very simple. From the drafting to the sewing, it literally took me 1 hour to draft it and sew it together. So it's really fast, it's really simple, and it's very beginner friendly. So this is an elastic thread that's done here, and it keeps it really loose and very comfortable. That's why I think this pattern is perfect for summer, so you can use it for a lot of dresses. You can incorporate it with some other patterns that you have. So I think that's something that you're going to be using. I hope you're going to learn something. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and post below. And the most important thing of all, do not forget to subscribe. This way you're really encouraging me to do more DIY videos and to show you more things that I know. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you're going to like it. See ya!
Hi guys, and welcome again. So this time I'm going to do something really simple by using the pattern that we did in the last couple of videos. So I found this floral pattern and I'm going to show you how to do the fastest way of actually making a longer A-line skirt. So this is the pattern that we used in a video that I'm going to post down below. And here I'm going to show you how to do the longer A-line skirt in literally 5 minutes. You measure the length of the skirt that you want, and then you're just going to mark it and measure how much is it to the actual bottom of the pattern. Here I'm getting 43 centimeters till the bottom of the pattern. So I'm just going to go across the whole skirt and I'm going to put in 43 from the end of the pattern to the end of the actual meter or the tape. Just make sure that the tape always lies perpendicular to the actual pattern, so the measurement is correct. And well, to be honest, that's literally it. We're going to do exactly the same thing on the back as well. The only difference here is that I'm going to put an invisible zipper in the back. So I'm just going to leave it folded and open. And the process again, just mark the actual length and just draw in with the chalk. And here it is, skirt is done. It literally takes you maybe 15 minutes to do this. I decided to insert an invisible zipper and a straight waistband, so no complicated things here, no more pattern making or drafting. It is overlocked with my overlocker, and this is it. Let's show you how to do the bodice now. So the bodice is going to be really simple as well. You're going to trace around your center back and center front patterns or pattern blocks, and you will mark everything, like all the darts and all the other things, because you need to do this every time, even though we're going to disregard them. I'm going to show you how to do the front first, and I'm going to cut them, draw them in only up to the level of the actual waist, because that's where I want them to be. You can make them longer, it's okay. So draw in your bust and decide how long do you want your off shoulder to be, or how low do you want your off shoulder to be. I want to be somewhere on the cross front, let's say, a bit higher, and I think this is the perfect size. Everything above that line is going to be cut off. Now all the darts from the shoulder and the side are going to be disregarded, but the dart on the side, I'm going to just subtract that amount from the bottom, because the side of the back and of the front pattern has to match up together. And now let's show you the true magic. So you're going to cut the pattern in half, and the only thing that has to be done here is just insert 5, 10, 15 centimeters and tape it down together on that paper. I decided to have 5 centimeters because as this is cut on fold, that means that across the front I have 10 centimeters of fullness, and I think that's more than plenty. Again, you can go with more. The same principle, same thing goes for the back. I decided to measure how much did I actually put on the front side, so I just copied the measure on the back side, and make sure that the notches are visible here because you have to match them later on with your sleeve patterns. And again, a very simple process, just insert 5 centimeters of fabric, or in this case 5 centimeters of paper. Then again, you can put more or less. It's literally up to you. You're the designer. You can play around with it, even though it's nicer when the front one and the back one kind of look the same. And now the last part of it all, let's do the sleeves. You have to measure the length on the front sleeve and the length of the back sleeve. They do not have to match because the sleeves are a bit different, and it's always a bit of a difference in measurements from front to back. And you're going to trace the actual sloper only up to this level because it doesn't have to have the actual cap of the sleeve. It's not going to be included in the measurement. And again, insert 5 centimeters, draw it, tape it, and that's it. We're ready to go and sew it together. Here we have it. Center front cut on the fold, 5 centimeters of insertion on all 3 parts. Notches are marked, front and back are marked on the actual sleeve pattern, very important. And we just double check that the measurement and the notches are actually matching. And here it is, done and dusted. The skirt and the crop top, shoulder crop top. I think it's really nice. The fabric is amazing. You can play around with the fabric. It's very breathable. I will wear the top with pants and all the other skirts that are high-waisted, so I think it's short enough. Again, you can make it shorter. Perfect for my holidays, don't you think?